Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is delicious peach gum barley dessert. Hope you like it. This dessert contains bean curd skin, so it has a very fragrant bean flavor. It is nutritious and delicious. It contains collagen, amino acids, polysaccharides, and minerals which contribute to its health properties. In traditional Chinese medicine, peach gum is used to nourish the skin, enhance elasticity, and promote a youthful appearance. Improves blood pressure. Peach gum is known to help in improving blood pressure levels. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: peach gum, bean curd, barley. Wash barley and set aside. The soaking time of peach gum varies depending on the temperature. Generally speaking, it takes about 8–10 hours to soak. If you want to shorten the soaking time, you can use warm water to soak it, which can shorten it to 1–2 hours. At the same time, please note that the volume of peach gum will expand after soaking, so you need to adjust the amount of water for stewing appropriately. First, pick out the large pieces of peach gum that look clean and put them in the strainer. You see, there are a lot of impurities, but because they are softened, they can be easily separated. It's easy to remove impurities with sieve. Add all ingredients into Instant Pot. Let's cook dessert. Wow! Dessert is cooked. The bean curd has completely melted and the barley has been cooked soft. Add rock sugar to tastes. Let's serve while it's still hot. It's very simple. This dessert tastes very good, just like drinking soy milk dessert. Barley is a very healthy grain. It's rich in vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial plant compounds. It's also high in fiber, which can lead to better digestion, reduced hunger, and weight loss. Traditional Chinese medicine believes that barley is cool in nature, sweet and light in taste, enters the spleen, lung, and kidney meridian, and has the effects of diuresis and swelling, strengthening the spleen and removing dampness, relaxing muscles and removing paralysis, clearing away heat and pus, etc. It is mainly used to treat edema, athlete's foot, dysuria, and dampness, paralysis, spasm, diarrhea, vaginal discharge, etc. Peach gum tastes sweet and bitter, is neutral in nature and non-toxic. It can be used to improve immunity, improve insulin resistance, control blood sugar and reduce diabetic complications. Barley bean curd water helps promote the functioning of the digestive system, strengthen the spleen and stomach function, and improve problems such as dampness and bloating. Nourishes the kidneys and strengthens the body. Barley are rich in vitamins and minerals, which help replenish the nutrients needed by the body, while also improving kidney function and strengthening the body. Improves edema. Barley are rich in mucus protein, which can promote water metabolism and relieve edema in the body. By the way, if you are looking for healthy low-carbohydrate recipes, welcome to check out my healthy recipe playlist where there are 388 recipes waiting for you, yeah. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. There are more delicious easy recipes in my channel, do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.